Hi, so there is a lot of confusion when it comes to calculating the carpet area, the build-up area and the super build-up area. Many people don't understand what it is, how it's calculated. So I'll try to simplify it as much as I can. Starting with carpet area, I'll go like in ascending order. First comes carpet area, then comes build-up area, then comes super build-up area. So carpet area. The carpet area in simple terms is your usage area. If you buy an apartment, the area you're gonna get to use, your living area, your dining area, your kitchen, your bedrooms, your bathrooms, all that, the usage space is called carpet area. And when it comes to build-up area, this includes the apartment's internal wall, the external wall, which is basically internal walls are 6 inches thick and external are 9 inches thick. This is standard. It can vary depending on the construction. In carpet area, in build-up area, you calculate the interior walls and the exterior walls as well. Then comes the super build-up area. Where all the amenities, your clubhouse, your swimming pool, your passages, lift area, all that is calculated. You basically pay for your super build-up area nowadays because all the societies nowadays provide a lot of amenities, so you pay for all that. And build-up area is usually 10 to 15% more than the carpet area, and then comes the super build-up area where that's this thing you get charged for because you get all the amenities and all that. So yeah, this is the calculation, this is the order. Whenever you buy an apartment, make sure you you understand all this and then buy your home wisely. Thank me later. Bye bye.